What's going on, guys? This is the Wisdom Matrix, and this video is about practical applications of spiral dynamics in everyday life or in politics or anything like that. So let's get started. For those who don't know what spiral dynamics is, please you can search for it on YouTube or anything like that. I made a video called Understanding Spiral Dynamics where it talks about this stuff. So yeah. By the way, this has mostly to do with Tier 1. Tier 2 I might get into another video, but it's going to be more complicated, so I'm just going to warn you about that right now. So how do you use spiral dynamics in everyday life or in politics or anything like that? Well, let's take a subject like hold on. Okay, there we go. Like climate change or not climate change necessarily, but like say environmentalism or something. So the way you can use this with spiral dynamics is you can convince people to do whatever you think is a good idea with this method. Like the green color, the stage green would already be like involved in environmentalism, but for the most part, so that wouldn't necessarily be applicable to this one. But like the stage orange, you could convince by like showing them how this particular problem could actually like affect the economy. It could actually affect how the economy works eventually. If it could actually like affect how business is done in a negative way. They do this with the opposite way when it comes to climate change to some extent. But for instance, you could say that this pollution and stuff is actually like making people less, like their minds are less able to work properly, so you won't see as much innovation in business and stuff like that. So that's how you would convince orange or something like that. And that's just like one of many examples you could use of many different things you could say. Blue would be a bit different, but you'd have to I don't know, it would have to be a bit more complicated because they run basically on belief to such a degree that it may take a couple of years of searching through their beliefs to find out how to do it properly. Or maybe not years, but months or weeks or something. But you could say that it would actually help them because if we don't like fix the environment, we won't be able to do any of the stuff that we're doing now. It'll be complicated. It'll be making things more complicated. So, but yeah, this is just a very, very broad example. And with red, you could say that, if you don't fix the environment, you won't be able to dominate anybody because you'll be having problems with like air pollution or something like that. So you have to use different techniques. And in relationships and stuff like that, you can use it to try and find common ground or something like that. So it goes like spiral dynamics and application could be used in many different ways. So anyway, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and share it with others if you got some kind of benefit from it so they can get the same benefit as you did. So Anyways, this is the wisdom matrix, and I'll see you on the next video.